I'm excited because Aruba can become a model for the rest of the Dutch Caribbean islands. So it is something that PAHO and WHO are very proud of, and we are so happy to have accompanied Aruba on their journey over this last year to the stage where now the plan on NCDs can be launched. In the Dutch-speaking Caribbean, yes, because there are other islands in the Caribbean who have been working on mental health plans, but none of the other Dutch Caribbean islands have reached as far as Aruba, even though a couple of them have started before. So Aruba has a lot to be proud of, but I think it is because of the political will, the leadership of the minister and his team that you've been able to achieve this. So it's truly something great because other stakeholders have been part of it, and that is what we in PAHO and WHO promote. We cannot work on our own. Health is not an island in itself. We must insert health into all the policies in any island. So this is how we move forward, by multi-sectoral work. It grew because we consistently provided assistance. We brought people together. Our role as PAHO and WHO is as a convener, and that means ensuring that everyone who should be at the table not only comes once or twice, but stays at the table. The Dutch-speaking islands are different in their structure. You have foundations, you have the private sector, you have the public sector, you have insurance. So for us, it was a challenge, but we surmounted it, and we found that once people start talking to each other, they realize that the interest of the country is paramount. So in order to keep this discussion going, yes, we will accompany you. We never abandon our countries. We will continue to work with you and walk on this journey to better NCD planning and better health for Aruba. It is something to be proud of, and I'm particularly concerned to say that for the future, for the children of this island, for the people of this island, investing in better health is something that you cannot stay away from. You have to exercise more, eat healthy, and it is for the betterment of the community. The productivity will get better over time, and you would find that less money is being spent by the government on drugs. People will lead healthier lives, and to be healthy is, yes, it contributes to the happiness of the island. So yes, I want to see Aruba move forward. I want to see Aruba be a leader in the Dutch-speaking Caribbean.